Hello, my viewers. I'm your host Gurinder Singh, and this is 10th day of 15-day challenge. I have received numerous of comments that we want to see that is Satdeep improving or not. There was some kind of personal problem, so that was the reason that why we were unable to upload the video in past days. But now we have started again. And guys, do not forget to watch this video till end because I hope you will be able to see some new things and watch this video till end to gain knowledge that how we have to give speaking and what are the mistakes that you should improve. Okay, so now not wasting the time, let's start with it. Okay, let's start with your interview. What's your name?
My name is Satdeep Singh.
How may I address you?
Please call me Satdeep.
Okay, Satdeep, have you ever been to a museum to learn history?
No, I went to the museum in my childhood, not for the study purpose, but only for the entertainment purpose. And school organized a trip for recreational activity.
Okay. How often do you go for a run?
I generally prefer to go for a run on a daily basis because it is very helpful for us to enhance our strength and stamina. Apart from that, it is also prevent from many kind of diseases.
Okay. Do you often like to listen music?
Yes, I on the daily basis I listen to music of various kind of artists and I prefer to listen both Hindi, Punjabi and English songs.
Okay. What is your favorite festival and why?
My favorite festival is Diwali because Diwali is the most celebrating festival in all over the India, and more than 70% of population are celebrate Diwali, and people are distribute sweets and busted the crackers at that time of Diwali and decorate the home with lighting.
Okay. Do you like to see the sky?
Yes, I like to see the sky because when I was see a sky at the time I feel very comfortable and relaxed.
Okay, now your cue card is describe a book you read that you found useful, and you have a minute to prepare for it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now you can start.
I read a numerous of book in my whole life, but here I would like to talk about a book which I read recently in my class +2. This book is a contemporary in a world politics. This book is related to the whole politics and world politics. This book is very useful because with the help of this book I got 80% marks in my class +2 in a political subject. But in this book many type of topics which are very helpful to enhance my knowledge, like contemporary in a world politics and tell me about the Second World War from 1939 to 1945. And in this book are generally related to the after the Cold War, why globalization is imposed, as well as why globalization adopted by the numerous of nations, like after the 1990s and decline of USSR and converted to Russia, and after the globalization is imposed, is totally concept of this are available on this book. And another powers are also which are related to the world politics and economic power are also mentioned in this book, like Chinese power, Asian powers, South Asian association with the regional corporation power, and some South Asian countries. This book is very helpful for me to boost our knowledge on this type of subject. I learn numerous of things with the help of this book, and I also tell some topic of world politics to my friends about this subject. Overall, this book is a very good book which I read recently.
Okay. Now let's start with your follow-ups. Your first question is, do people in your country like to read books?
It totally depends on person to person choice, and those people are related to the economic field and any field. They like to book read, but in youngsters are don't like to read a book, and they are generally prefer to use applications, mobile applications like Facebook, Instagram, and this kind of.
Okay. Do you think reading is important?
Yes, reading is very important for us, mainly newspaper reading, because with the help of newspaper we can know about economic fields and sports fields, sports related person know about the sports fields and political people to boost their knowledge in a political field with the help of newspaper.
What books do children read and what do adults like to read?
According to my perspective, children mostly read like storybooks and magazines, cartoon magazines, and on the other hand, adults read knowledgeable books like politics, historical books, and some kind of another stuff.
Okay, that's it. And in this video, I am pretty proud to say that he has achieved his sixth band, because no doubt there were minor grammatical errors, but his pronunciation as well as his fluency was quite well, so that is enough to achieve 6 bands. And within 5 days he will be jumping from 6 to 6.5. So guys, do not miss a single video, and if you like it, do not forget to smash the like button and subscribe my channel for latest updates. Thank you.